Should I see if I float?
Do it.
All right. Ooh, I'm floating.
Just close your eyes. And when you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Mayong bundag, bungabesh, bungabay. I totally screwed that up. Mayong bundag. Holy cow, it's too difficult. Sige mga mutak sa inyo tanan. Karon, we are here in Utah, USA, in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. And I am with my friend, Mark Raleigh. So he is my good buddy from high school, and we are going to the Spiral Jetty. Spiral Jetty is next to the Great Salt Lake. Mark has never been there. I haven't been to the jetty. Nope. But it's cool.
But it's gonna be cool.
It's a secret.
It is a secret. The other day I received in the mail a Stand Up Paddleboard. It's an inflatable Stand Up Paddleboard that I ordered from forfunsup.com, and we're gonna bring it out there at the Great Salt Lake. I'm gonna show you it. It's actually my first time using it, so we're all gonna experience this together. But it's gonna be a jolly old time. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get salty. So, ta-da.
Let's go!
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
All right, so we're gonna haul the stand-up paddleboard in this nice bag that was included. It's about the size of Mark.
Yep, I could fit in this easily. Carry me around. I wouldn't mind that.
So we're gonna walk to the Great Salt Lake. It's probably about a 15-minute walk, and then we're gonna pump it up. Pump it up.
Let's go.
So ang kulang karon ang sport and chinelas nako kay tungod nawala sa Pinas. So nakoy lain na brand, wala ko'y Spartans, pasensya kayo. Di siya kasabot, ato siya ibaligya. Ang Utah, mura siya ice, mura siya snow, pero asin ni siya. Pure salt. So ambot kung makita ninyo, pero pink ang kulay sa dagat or sa tubig. Dili ni siya dagat, kay lake lang ni. So this is the inflatable stand-up paddleboard that I ordered on forfunsup.com. Thanks to Mark, he carried it over. What a guy. Super convenient with the bag. You got your fin, you got your paddle, you got our pump. In case it gets pretty wavy out there, you know, you got your leash. I don't think there's gonna be any waves today though. You got your paddleboard. All right, so this is the inflatable stand-up paddleboard, like I said. So super compact, which makes it easy for my travels. I can just throw it into my car. No troubles there, carry it in this backpack. Oh, we're gonna bust this bad boy out. Pretty much you just unroll it. All right, it also comes with a repair kit in case you get a puncture or something goes wrong. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the inflation valve. This is how you pump up the stand-up paddleboard. So this is the inflation valve, super good quality. You can push this in and out for inflation and deflation. It's super safe to use, which is nice, and it takes about 5 to 8 minutes to pump up completely. Then you're on your way. So let's get pumping. All right, so we just filled her up. Honestly, it didn't even take 5 minutes once we figured out how to do it. Took Mark like probably 3 minutes tops. But now I'm gonna show you the paddle. Just clips in like that. You got yourself a paddle. That's pretty much it, the For Fun SUP. So we're gonna take it for a spin. This is my first time using it. Pretty dang light, if I do say so myself. Maybe because I've been working out, I don't know. But let's take it in here.
They're gonna be so tall, Carson.
Gotta shorten it a little bit.
All the way, for crying out loud. Let's go.
All right, Mark's gonna send it out there. Adios, way.
Bye.
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside.
How was it, Ed?
Awesome. This thing's really cool because I like the grip that it has on it, like the pattern, and then really nice to have these just for when, like, if you have extra stuff. If you need to take your shoes off, like, you can place them right in there. So really nice to do that.
Super light, honestly. I thought it'd be heavier.
Light. Yeah, I'm so surprised how light it is. Being a little guy that I am.
Flip it over, dude. Let's see how it weathered the salt.
Yeah. Yeah, look how salty just this is. I mean,
I know. Honestly impressive though, because this stuff is sharp underneath.
Yeah.
So I'm glad it didn't like puncture
it's so sharp and it hasn't like scratched it and ripped it or anything.
All right, so you can see the pink water a little bit better out here. Still not the same as in person. Look at those abs, dude. We like to call that pandesal sa Pilipinas.
I need some chicken adobo. That's what I need.
So he lived in Alaska, so he has a lot of Filipino friends over there. Correct?
Correct.
Oh yeah. All right, it's getting deeper here. Look how pink this is over here. Heck yeah, this is way pinker. So weird. This is 10 times saltier than the ocean.
Should I see if I float?
Right, do it.
All right. Ooh, I'm floating.
Lean on your back.
I got my glasses on.
It's all right, dude. You won't get wet.
Ooh. I'm straight up floating.
It's so funny.
That is wild.
The water's up to my waist.
That is really weird.
Puwerte kaparat ang tubig diri. Mao gani malutaw sila. Malutaw siya, di siya malumos. Alright, check out this salt on my arm.
Wow.
That is unreal. How salty it is. It's a quality salt.
I'd put that on some of my lasagna and spaghetti. That's pretty good.
Push the button. Oh, holy cow. Heck yeah. So we're getting this thing filthy. I'm gonna have to rinse it with fresh water when I get home. It's alright, dude. Just roll it up and then we'll pack it out. So we're not even gonna use the pump right now. We're just gonna push the air out. I think it's gonna be quicker. Just like that. It's ready to go. So everything fits in this bag that they sent me. Tanan gyud makasulod diri. So salty.
Okay. All right. There we go.
Literally took like 2 minutes.
Yeah, that really is nice.
And then you're on your way. So we're gonna go back up to the car. I brought a gallon of water. We're gonna rinse off. It's super itchy. And then we're gonna head back to Kaysville. So we just climbed back up to the car. Look at all this salt. Thank goodness I brought some water. A gallon of water. We're gonna give it to Mark first.
Salty.
Oh, you look salty, or are you just wet?
I'm just white.
So if you come here, make sure to bring some fresh water. Otherwise, you're gonna be super itchy on the way home. Look at that view. This guy's so weird right now because of all the fire smoke. First trip to the Spiral Jetty.
This is pretty cool.
First trip to the Great Salt Lake. Not even just the Spiral Jetty.
Amazing.
Pretty nuts. The white salt in contrast with the pink lake. It's so weird. All right, so yeah, if you guys are interested, the paddleboard I got was at forfunsup.com. I can put it in the description if you guys are interested. Super small, super convenient, rolls up, super light, good quality. Like I said, I just put everything in my car. I got my tent, my sleeping bag. Now I got my stand-up paddleboard. And got Mark Riley.
Yes, sir.
He's tired, dude.
I'm tired. He's out there paddling and
all right.
Super fun though.
We're just gonna go get some dinner now, and then tomorrow I was invited by some Filipinos to go have a boodle fight. So stay tuned for that. I will show you. My sister and my brother-in-law are gonna be there. My brother-in-law's family. It's gonna be a jolly time. So see you over there.